tell you, man, it's like, I just keep this is a way more interesting job than what I had. I mean, I was a lawyer, you move paper from this side of the table to that side of the table. And now I'm just talking to artists and different people. I was a lawyer for 20 years, and then I went to, I actually wanted to do technology investing. And so I tried a bunch of things. My ideas were all literally 8 or 10 years ahead of their time. And so then I realized I am a woodworker and I enjoy woodworking. I wanted to try something that was surely going to work. And I talked to my wife about it. She's been a big supporter of all this. And I said, I want to do a woodworking shop. And so over time, I worked on this, this idea. I then found Bill, my first employee, and I bought the building and planned this out and spent the last year putting it together. And now we're at the place where we're filling the gallery. For me, the most rewarding part of running a shop like this is the people that you meet. We have all of the equipment, or pretty much all the equipment that you would want to do to pretty much do anything you want to do. And what that does is it attracts really good artisans.
My name is Eric Casey, and my position here at Benchmark is I'm an artisan here. I work at a third-party company called WoodTechLogics, and I've decided to sign up here at Benchmark and work here in the shop. Projects I specialize in, I started in my basement doing woodworking, just doing cutting boards and craft shows and things like that. And recently I've evolved into making custom conference room tables, river tables, slab tables. They're tech-centric versions of standard conference room tables. And that's my plan here at Benchmark, to build out that vision. My experience here at Benchmark so far was based upon signing up to use these amazing machines. I really enjoyed the table saw on the recent project of the miter saw station, doing cuts of ply and sheet goods. It's been amazing. You can operate it as one person. Have I lost a finger? No, got them all still there.
Hi, I'm Bill Stowe. Met Jon about a year and a half, year and 3/4 ago, and he told me about this project he had in mind, and I just got really excited. And we built this place out, he's probably told you, from basically nothing, and I have done everything from sweeping floors, throwing out trash, helping design and purchase the equipment, and built the door and windows and some of the parts going in here, and I'm starting to develop classes and a line of work furniture pieces for Benchmark Fine Woodworking. You know the phrase, the shoemaker's children go barefoot? Well, my house is barefoot. There's so many projects, shaped railing that I've been working on for probably 6 years that she's waiting for me to finally finish. That door, there is not a single straight piece in it. Every single piece is tapered. One of the things that I really loved about this saw when we first got it was that I was able to set a stop here. There's a part that I can lock down the back end. And then I'm able to run this piece straight through the blade.
The idea behind the grand opening was basically to say thank you to all of the tradespeople, the lawyer, the architect, all the people that put so much work into building out this building, because a building like this does not get built by a single person. It was a team of people. Since we just did the build out and we've just had the grand opening, the next thing is obviously selling through the gallery, but then bringing artisans in here. About 40% of the people that come here are women that want to work in here. And so we're going to be doing a lot of classes that are targeted to everybody, but also specifically we've been asked for some that are targeted to women woodworkers. My name is Jon Ritter, and I have created Benchmark Fine Woodworking.